Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Andrew Chwalik. I am a podcaster and I host the Creativity Killed the Cat podcast. And as you know, if you're a podcaster, you need to have a microphone to record your audio. And that's what we're going to be checking out today. Another mic from Fifine, specifically the K058, which is inside this box right now. A member of the Fifine team saw my podcast and like, hey, cool, you do podcasts. How about you try out a mic? And they sent me this mic, so I'm going to try it out, and we're going to see how it actually sounds here in this video. But before we can do that, let's open up this box. Nice little thank you card. You're welcome. We have the instruction and user guide here. I'm usually pretty good at setting things up, so we're going to pass on the instructions today. Here is the actual microphone. Oh, it looks really pretty, and it is heavy duty, holy moly. So you can turn the echo on the outside of the mic, adjust that, and you can also adjust the volume on the outside of the mic as well, which is pretty cool. It just looks pretty too. I mean, look at the gold finish, it's black. All right, let's see what else we got in this box. Mic cover, very nice. Also got the mic stand. So one of the little mini ones that you set on your desk. There's also a mic stand holder, so if you want to clip your mic onto this and put it onto a mic stand, you got one of these. Last but not least, we have the cord that you plug into the base of the microphone, and it is a USB, so you simply plug in the USB to your laptop and you'll be good to go, and that's what we're going to be testing out right now. We're going to plug this mic in to my laptop right over here and test out the audio for this mic. All right, let's do this. We're going to test out the audio for this Fifine K058 microphone. I have the microphone right here, and I have my own mic arm that I use. It's attached to my desk, so I just pop the mic in here, and we're going to try out the audio. So how this is going to work, I'm just going to say go, and then I'm going to flip the audio over to the audio that's going to come from this microphone, so you're going to actually be hearing what the audio sounds like on this mic in this video. Ready, set, go. All right, now you are hearing the audio that is coming from this Fifine K058 microphone. And if you're a podcaster, you know you have to have a good microphone to use so that you have the high quality audio to better entertain and inform your audience. And with the podcast that I host, Creativity Killed the Cat, I take one small business every single episode, and I talk about a few creative marketing concepts that the company could implement to be able to help that company think of some creative marketing, but also to inspire other small business owners to utilize some creative marketing aspects. And I actually just paused this video so I could listen to some of the audio that's coming from this microphone, and it sounds pretty high quality, definitely up to the standard of my podcast for sure. One of the best aspects about this microphone, in my personal opinion, besides the audio quality, is the actual ability to travel with this mic. It's a good size. You can easily tote it around in any of your bags. I could toss it in my backpack because I travel quite often and I need to record my Creativity Kill the Cat podcast on the go. And what makes it easy, you pop in the movable mic stand, you set the mic on top, and any desk or any table becomes your little podcasting studio. And that makes it great for me, so I'm very excited to be able to toss this in my backpack and start recording on the go to make sure I still have that high quality audio that you need to have with a podcast. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me on this unboxing and review of the Fifine K058 microphone. I hope you enjoyed it, and Fifine, thank you for tossing me this mic so I could try it out and up my podcast game even more. You rock. Now, if you are interested, hop on Amazon. You can snag this microphone for just $30. And of course, if you're a primary, you get free shipping. So if you're dropping $30 on a microphone of this grade, you're doing well for yourself. If you do snag this microphone, try it out and let me know what you think. You can drop it in the comments below. And of course, if you are a podcaster, let me know what podcast you have going on so I can check it out. And did you say collab? Let's go. Well, everyone, thanks for joining me for real. I will see all of you lovely people very soon. And in the meantime, keep podcasting. We out.